morning all. So it's our English class. We were doing direct and indirect speech. Yes. In the previous classes, we had written about the different differences between direct and indirect speech and the different rules. And we had done one exercise also. Today we will continue with exercises. Further exercises. Page number 138. Exercise B. Page number 138. Exercise B. In the previous exercise, we had done direct and indirect using capital letters and punctuation marks. Means sentences were already written and we had used punctuation marks and capital letters. Today, in this exercise, half of the sentence will be given to you and rest half we have to add according to indirect speech. Means direct sentence is given to you and indirect sentence half is given to you. We have to change it and fill in the blanks using the proper words. Okay. Now, come at exercise B. Fill in the blanks with reporting verbs and that to complete the sentences in reported speech. Reported speech means indirect speech only. Okay. So when the question says reported speech, this means we have to change the sentence into indirect speech. And it is given specifically that we have to use which word? That. It is given in the question with reporting verbs and that, and it is given in some other color also, means it is highlighted. So we have to use the word that. Now, let's read the first sentence. He said, I can ride a bicycle. This sentence is given in which form? Direct speech. Yes. How we can say that? We can say that because after said there is comma, then inverted comma is on, then I is capital. The first person is speaking, that is present tense, inverted comma, close and full stop. And that is not there. That means this sentence is direct. Okay, then we have to change this sentence into indirect speech using that. So our sentence will be he dash he could ride a bicycle. What we are going to write? How we are going to change? Read the direct sentence again. He said I can ride a bicycle. Change it into indirect sentence. He said that. He said that. Yes. So we have to write here two words, said and that. He said that he could ride a bicycle. He said that he could ride a bicycle. Now this sentence has been turned into indirect speech. Next, I can play the piano, said Rita, said Ria. Now this sentence is again in direct speech. I can play the piano, said Ria. We have to change this direct sentence into indirect form. How we will change? Ria said that. Yes, which word we have to use? Said and that. Ria said that she could play the piano. Right there said that. You tell. I can play the piano, said Ria. Ria dash, she could play the piano. Ria said that she could play the piano. Next, the fox said, I know how to teach the hare a lesson. Again, this is direct sentence. We have to change it into indirect. First thing that we are going to add that the fox said that he knew how to teach the hare a lesson. So again, which two words will come here? Said that. Yes. Yes. Said that he knew how to teach the hare a lesson. The next. The principal said, I am proud of you. The principal said that he was proud of us. It is same as the example I gave to you. The teacher said, I am proud of you. Means the teacher said that she was proud of us. Similarly, the principal said that he was proud of us. Yes? The next. The monk said, we should help the weak. The monk said that we should help the weak. The monk said that we should help the weak. All right, last sentence. I will come with you, said my sister. Now, to start with the reported speech, my sister dash she would come with me. Said that, yes. The sentence have to be changed into indirect speech and we use the word that. So the sentence will be my sister said that she would come with me. Will be changed into would. In checking the sentence, it is written I will come with you, and in indirect speech, will has been changed into would. My sister said that she would come with us. Clear? This exercise is clear? Put a tick mark and write copy. You have to do this exercise in copy. Put a tick mark on exercise B and write there copy. Means you have to do this in fair copy. One more instruction before starting with another exercise. On 23rd, the messages to whom I have given personal messages for prize distribution. Last year's prize distribution. Personal messages. Not everybody will come. I'm again telling, not everybody will come. Only to those who have got the message from me. I have sent the message. Only those children, first, second, third rank holders, good conduct boy, good conduct girl, and full attendance of the last year when you were in class 4th. Those children will come between 8:30 to 9:30. Prize distribution time is 8:30 to 9:30, so you should be here before 8:30 only, or by 8:30 with your parents in school uniform, and wearing mask is compulsory. Please do not come in color dress. Many children asked to me yesterday, ma'am, can we wear color dress? No. You are taking the award and you can't take it in color dress. You have to wear school dress. Okay? Darish was first. Second was Kartike. And third was Ritisha. Yes. Good conduct boy, Ayush Kumar Singh. Good conduct girl, Sukaina. This is last year's. And there were 6 full attendance children also. So those children who have got message from me, they will come. Not everybody. Alright? Okay? Alright. Come in full school uniform with blazer, sweater, I-card, mask, proper. Whichever I-card you must be having last year I-card, wear that I-card. Okay. And Ritisha, you should put this extension and your battery and whatever beforehand only. Don't do it in between the class. Next exercise. Fill in the blanks to change the sentences from direct to indirect speech. Add reporting verbs that and the correct pronoun. I am sad, said Rita. Change the sentence. Now, only 2 words are given to you. You have to complete the sentence in indirect speech. I am sad, said Rita. How this sentence will be changed into indirect? Tell me. Vidhi, tell. Vidhi will tell. How many Vidhis are there in the class? How many Vidhis are there in the class? What is said? Vidhi will tell. How many Vidhis are there? Only Vidhi will speak. Arjun, no. Only Vidhi. Where is Vidhi? Hmm. Rita said that. Speak. Rita said that she was sad. Yes, very good. The tense will be changed into past tense. Present tense will be changed into past tense. Rita said that. Right there in the blanks. Rita is already written. You all right? Said that she was. Said that she was sad. Rita said that she was sad. Next, the children said, "We are tired." Only that child will speak from whom I am going to ask. Okay? Atharv, you tell the answer first on your camera. Atharv, on your camera, I am waiting. Atharv, can you listen to me? I think then I should remove you from the group, from this class, because you're not answering. Atharv, on your camera and tell the second sentence. What changes will be there? Arnav, you tell. Arnav, on your camera. Arnav, on your camera. Yes, the children said, "We are tired." Change the sentence. Yes, say. On your mic, then say, beta. First on your mic. No, it will not be are. What I said, present tense will be changed into present tense. Who is this prompting in between? Who is prompting in between? No, I said present tense will be changed into past tense. So are is present tense. In which tense it will be changed? Are will be changed into were. So the sentence will be, the children said that they were tired. Got it? All of you right. The children said that they were tired. The children said that they were tired. Shirish is there? Yes, Shirish, on your camera. Yes. Next sentence. I will tell you a story, said our teacher. Will? No, not will. Just now, when we were doing the previous exercise, I told you will be changed into would. Yes. So sentence will be, our teacher said that she would tell us a story. All of you right? Our teacher said that she would tell us a story. Huda. Next. The crowd shouted, "We want justice." The crowd shouted, they want. Speak loudly. So this is the direct sentence you are saying. Change it into indirect sentence and then tell the crowd shouted that. The crowd shouted that they wanted justice. Change into past tense. The crowd shouted that they wanted justice. Kartike, on your camera. Next sentence. I am old and weak, said my grandma. Okay, my grandma said that she was old and weak. Very good. Next, Mustafa. On your camera, Mustafa. On your camera. On your camera, Mustafa. Tressa. Okay, Shitish, you tell the next one. The judge said, I have decided to punish the guilty. I nahi, not I. I will be used in direct. We are changing it into indirect. So I will be changed by the second person. Say as you are saying as the second person. The judge said that who he would would नहीं आएगा. Why would will come? Would comes when will is used. The sentence will be like this. The judge said that have will be changed into has. The judge said that he has decided to punish the guilty. Okay, all of you write. The judge said that he has decided. The judge said that he has decided to punish the guilty. I love my audience, said the actor. The actor said that he loved his audience. The actor said that he loved, ed will be there, his audience. The actor said that he loved his audience. First, write what I am dictating. I will repeat all the sentences once again. Then next, Rahul said, it is safe for the children to play in the garden. Rahul said that it was. Rahul said that it was safe for the children to play in the garden. Write quickly. Hania, are you writing? Okay. Rahul said that it was safe. Now I'm repeating all the sentences. Number one, Rita said that she was sad. Number two, the children said that they were tired. Number three, our teacher said that she would tell us a story. Number four, the crowd shouted that they wanted justice. Number five, my grandma said that she was old and weak. Number six, the judge said that he has decided to punish the guilty. Number seven, the actor said that he loved his audience. Last, Rahul said that it was safe for the children to play in the park. Put a tick mark on exercise C and write their copy. So your homework is both these exercises B and C you have to do in your fair copies. Clear? All right. Bye bye.